In today's video, I will walk you through how to change currency on CoinMarketCap. To change the currency setting on CoinMarketCap, start by going to the CoinMarketCap website through your browser. Once the page loads, you will see the CoinMarketCap homepage with cryptocurrency information and market prices. To change the currency setting, go to the top right corner of the page and select the Login button. After clicking the Login button, enter your account details to access your account. You can log in using your email address and password or choose another available login option. Once you have entered your details, select the Login button again to continue. After logging in, go back to the top right corner of the page and select your profile icon. A drop-down menu will appear with different account options and settings. From this menu, select the currency option. The currency settings page will display a list of available currencies. Choose the currency you want to use for displaying prices on CoinMarketCap. You can select from the available cryptocurrency and fiat currency options shown in the list. After selecting your preferred currency, CoinMarketCap will automatically update the displayed prices throughout the platform. The selected currency will appear across the data tables, charts, and price information shown on CoinMarketCap. You can repeat the same process whenever you want to change the currency setting and select a different option from the available list. Thank you for watching.